This video will show you step by step how to get a domain name and web hosting from Cameroon using mobile money. If you're excited, stick around and see how we're going to do it. Before we get started, we're going to be using this hosting provider called makigohost.com. Sometimes online payment can be troublesome. Because of that, Makigo Host has made it in a way that we can buy domain name and web hosting using our mobile money, something that we carry every day. So if you're excited, let's get started. To begin with, type makigohost.com onto your web browser. Once the page is loaded, hover on hosting services and then click on shared hosting. This video will be ordering their shared hosting plan, and most of you are going to be doing the same. Even if you want to order one of their other hosting packages, the process is still the same. They have VPS, reseller hosting, and then shared hosting. Not forgetting of WordPress hosting, Joomla hosting, Magento hosting, a lot. So just click on shared hosting because that's the one we're going to be ordering in this video. And it will take us to this part of the screen. This is their shared hosting page. Please take your time and read everything here, okay, to have a better understanding of their shared hosting. Scroll down to their packages, their pricing plans. Makigo Host has 3 basic plans. They have the Go Basic, Standard, and then Go Unlimited plan. Pick the one that fits your business needs. In our case, we're going to be ordering the Go Basic plan. With the Go Basic plan, you can only host one website with 20 gig SSD storage. Makigo Host offers SSD and not HDD. If you don't know the differences between SSD and HDD, don't worry, let me explain to you. Go to Google. So I'll open my browser and then we type SSD. So I'll just type SSD versus HDD. Hit enter. Once you land on Google, click on this image. You can also click on images. And then pick this image. Now this is the image I'm going to use to explain to you the differences between SSD versus HDD. When it comes to performance, speed, SSD is always faster than HDD. Okay, let's go back to our web hosting provider. Makigo Host also offers unlimited bandwidth, unlimited FTP accounts, 10 business email accounts, 10 databases, and free domain names. Now, the free domain name only applies to you, the first time client. So if you are buying domain name and web hosting from Makigo Host for the first time, you will qualify for a free .com domain name. There are no hidden costs to you, so that means you'll be renewing at the same price as your registration. So your renewal price will be the same as the registration fee. 24/7 support, 99.9 uptime guarantee. Let's now go ahead and order this plan. So I'll click on order now. And the very first thing we'll be doing is to choose our domain name or to register our domain name. Now your website will definitely have a name called domain name. Solomon.com is a domain name. YouTube.com is a domain name. Google.com is a domain name. Go ahead and be creative and come out with your own unique name. So enter my domain name here. So let's put something like google.com and check. Makigo host is going to tell us that google.com is unavailable. This is because Google is already using this name. The name has already been taken. So you have to be creative and come out with a name that will be unique. Okay, so something like solo test name.com and then click on check. In this case, you have to enter your own business name there. And now solotestname.com is available. This is because solotestname.com is not in use. It has not been taken. Okay, that's why you are seeing this congratulations message. So when you see this message, you can proceed with the registration process. We'll just scroll down to the button and then we'll click on to continue and wait. You will be redirected to a page like this. This is a config page. This is where you choose your billing cycle. Do you want to be making your payment or renewing your hosting package monthly, semi-annually, or yearly? What I would recommend you to do is you pick the 12 months price. So pick 12 months. This will give you a free domain name, but if you are going with month-to-month basis, then you are not going to get a free domain name. So go with the 12 months. Okay, this will also give you enough time to put them into a test. So the 12 months will give you enough time to test Makigo host to see if they are good for you. Below are some available add-ons you can add. So just check them, see those you want. Beneath here, if you want Makigo host to integrate Google Analytics into your website, then you can add it to your card. And this is a one-time fee. Okay, the website you are building, if it's a WordPress site, the Makigo host will protect your site from hackers. You can also add it to your card, but remember, this is going to add to your cost. But these services are one time. Makigo host can also verify and put sites on Google. You can also add that, but because I don't have money, I will forget of these add-ons and then continue. Okay, so let's click on continue. We are taken to a page like this, and this is domains configuration page. On this page, we have DNS management, ID protection, and email forwarding. I recommend you to go with the ID protection because it's going to protect your identity. It's going to hide your ID from the internet. When you register a domain name, it goes into what is called the Whois database, which is public on the internet. Spammers can get hold of this information or this data and start spamming you. But if you want Makigo host to protect your identity, go ahead and pick ID protection. This is going to be $5 per year cost to you. Okay, so you can add that to your card. If you want DNS management, you can add it, and if you want email forwarding, you can add it. So in total, the three of them will be $15 per year. But for now, I don't need ID protection. I'm only going to show you how to get domain name and web hosting and make payment using mobile money in Cameroon. Okay, so let's click on continue. It's our review and checkout page. So scroll down, make sure you check the items that are in your cart. And you can see this is the hosting plan we are ordering. That's shared hosting, and this is our domain name. Make sure you cross check it. Okay, scroll down, and here coupon code. I'm going to be giving you 30% off, and this is a special deal with Makiyohost. I've partnered with them and they are giving you 30% off your first purchase. So in the description of this video you see a code. Enter that here. So enter sale 30. When you enter sale 30, you get 30% off. I've entered my coupon code, which is sale 30. Click on validate code. Apply this code to your card. Now we have just saved $10. Okay, so we'll be paying $25 for the entire year to get our domain name and web hosting. Is this not amazing? Please go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel and then also support me. Okay, all right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and then check out. So I'll click on checkout. Now, when you get to this part of the screen, scroll down, and because you are from Cameroon, please make sure you switch this currency to your currency. If not, mobile money payment will not be possible. So go ahead and pick this currency, and that's your currency. Okay, so switch it from USD to this currency. Excellent. Now our site is in your currency, and then click on checkout again, please. Fantastic. Now we're going to enter our details: your first name, last name, email, your phone number, country. Enter those details here. After that, make sure you enter your password. Please enter a strong password. If not, your hosting account can get hacked. Okay, Makiyohost provides what we call password generator. So click on generate password, and this is going to give you a strong password. Now you can see we have a password that is strong like this, and this will be impossible to compromise. Just click on copy to clipboard and insert, and make sure you paste this password somewhere safe, and then after that proceed. So scroll down and then choose Flutterwave. Flutterwave will enable us make payment using mobile money, but if you pick any of these gateways, you will not get the mobile money option. Okay, and then finally accept to their terms of service like this, and then click on complete order. So I'm going to enter my details and then meet you on the payment interface. This is our payment interface. To your extreme right, you see pay with card and pay with mobile money. We're going to click on the pay with mobile money option. You can switch this to French even if you want to. Okay, now next select your country. So I'm going to leave it as what? Cameroon. So leave it there, and then choose network. I'm going to pick mobile money. I'll enter my mobile money number here. After that, I'll click on pay. Once you click on this orange button, you're going to get notification or verification from your phone to confirm your payment. You'll be taken to your hosting dashboard just like this. You're going to see one service here with one domain name here. Give your hosting provider, Makio Host, up to 24 hours and sometimes 48 hours for them to set up everything for you. Your domain name will go through what is called domain propagation. Okay, so just give them some time, and sometimes this can be instant, and that is it. Once payment is made, be rest assured that everything is going to work fine for you. If you want to learn step by step how to build a bulk SMS gateway or website and turn it into a money making site, watch the video to your left hand side. If you also want to learn how to build a music streaming website like Spotify, watch the video to your right hand side. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you later.